Alright, I just stopped and got some firewood. Now I'm heading down to the National Forest to go camping, and hopefully it's open. Around here, I'm in Ohio right now, and they don't really have, like, as far as I know, like dispersed sites. They're all kind of like campgrounds, but they're free. The campground I'm going to, I've been there before, and hopefully I can stay there because the North Country Trail is right there. It goes right through the campsite, so I'm going to camp there and do some hiking on the North Country Trail. I came a different way, and I just found this Stone Church campground. I didn't know this was here, but this is a fee area. I think it said it's like $15. So I'm not going to stay here. I'm just going to go down where I usually go. I think this is like a horse camp or something, because they got these stalls right here. I think they put their horses in there. A manure bin up here. Yeah, let's continue on down to the place that I usually go. I just passed the campsite. I forgot the entrance is on the other road. But I'm going up this road here. This is a National Forest road. And I figured since I'm driving this way, I might as well just go see what's up here, because I've never been up here before. Maybe I'll find just a pull-off spot, because that campsite back there is kind of like a campground. There's nobody in it though, because it's December, I think the 23rd or something, and it's 20 degrees out here, so I didn't really think anybody would be out here. So I just want to might as well see what's up here. Able to find any just pull-off spots in Ohio. They're usually just campgrounds, and then ATV areas or whatever. And they have pull-offs, but they're not like the regular dispersed sites where you just pull off on the side of the road. It's always part of something with a gate on it or something that they close down. Nice to find just a little pull off where I can just go whenever I want and not have to worry about it being closed. That road right there, it looks like there's an old building up there, and that might be the Stone Church that this is named after. So it's not too far from the campsite that I was going to stay at. I might walk down here and check that out later if I don't find a camping spot up here. Places now. So I saw one spot back there. I don't think I'm going to take that though. It was just kind of a little pull in. With it had a had a fire ring, but there's not enough to pull my van in, and that's about it. So I'm going to find a place to turn around here. I just wanted to pull in here just to check it out, see how it feels, maybe, you know, next time. Or if I go down there and that campground's closed. I guess this isn't too bad. I just drove by it real quick. It's not, it's actually, I think there's a creek back there. I'd have to back in here though because I'm the wrong way, like as far as level. Let's get out and check this out. I want to see what's down there. It looks like a creek. Yeah, this spot ain't too bad. I'm actually thinking about staying here. Some more firewood down here too, even though I bought some. I don't really like that it's real close to the road, but down there it's more like a campground, so it's multiple spots like right beside each other. So yeah, I might give this a shot right here. Plus it's closer to that church that I wanted to hike to. I'll just have to turn around because I'm level this way, but I'm going, my front end's going downhill. The road's right there, so it's really close. But this is the only campsite I've seen on this road. I got some things done here at camp, so now I'm heading out and I'm gonna go find this trail that goes up to that stone church and check that out. I came up to a fork in the trail, and I hope this goes to the cemetery and the old stone church. I'm not sure because it's not on the map, but I'm gonna walk up here and see where this trail goes. All right, that wasn't it. So I'm gonna continue on this main trail that's labeled, and hopefully I find the trail, because the trail that goes there is not on the map. So I'm just trying to get close to where the church is at. The church is on the map, and if I get close to that, then I think hopefully there'll be a trail there. I saw one from the road. I just don't know where it comes off of this trail at. Right now I'm by this lake. All right, I came out on this, I guess it's a logging road or something, but there's the main road down there. And then right over there, I just seen it, right over there somewhere is the church. It probably won't show up on the camera, but it's over that way. So I'm heading over there now. So I don't see any history or anything on this church, but they got this cemetery here. A lot of them, most of them are buried in the 1800s. So it's got to be pretty old. I just know this campground down here is called the Old Stone Church Campground, and the trail I was just on is the Old Stone Church Trailhead. So it's got something to do with this church here. That's pretty neat though. So while I'm sitting here by the fire, I thought I'd show these pacing beads that I got on my knife. So I got 9 beads on this side, and I got 4 beads on this side. And yesterday I was out counting my pace again and writing it in my book. So I in the other video I showed that I walked 328 feet, and it was a meter. And then I document my paces at different terrains at that distance. So what I do is I count out, I think it was 72 for flat, and then for uphill and downhill it's different, but I'll average those together and I'll get a good pace count. But then what I do is I count out that 100 meters and then drop a bead, and then I do that every time. Then when I get to 9, I drop those 9 beads, and on the 10th one I drop that bead, so that'd be a kilometer, and then raise these back up, and then just start all over again. And then eventually you'll get down to where they're all down here like this. And you get down to 4 kilometers. And then when you drop all these down, that's a 5 kilometer. So that's how that works. I just put it on my knife here because it looks kind of cool and it's easy place to keep track of it. So I'm gonna keep walking around and continue to document my paces, because I have to do it in the snow. I have to do it with a backpack because it all changes, and then I'll just average that together and get a good number, and then I'm going to go around and test these out and compare it to my phone and see how accurate I can get it, and just play around with that.
Blue highway